Hi, I'm Miss Pozek, and today I'll be reading this book, Rhyme Crime, by Bugerman. So let's go ahead and get started. Rhyme Crime. Once upon a time, a thief committed a crime. Everything he stole was replaced with a rhyme. Hammy's brand new hat was swapped for a cat. Meow. And Gumpop's lovely head became a slice of bread. Oh, crumbs. Arnie's comfy chair was switched for a bear. And Toodle's loyal dog was taken for a log. Bark, bark. Moo Moo's fancy clogs were swapped for some frogs. We're slippy, not slipperies. Gertie's pretty house was now a giant mouse. Do you have some cheese? Eek! Marlowe's happy smile became a crocodile. Oh no. And Dingle's mighty sneeze, achoo, was swapped for stinky cheese. Blue's yummy cake was taken for a snake. Sleepy Boomer's brain was switched for a train. Toot toot. The thief took Tumble's orange and swapped it with a splorange? Smorange? Morange? Florange? Warange? Gorange? Zorange? Borange? Dorange? Porange? Hey, there's the thief! Is this the end of this tale? The thief was taken to jail. What terrible luck! I'm well and truly stuck. But by the very next day, the thief had run away. Oh no, how did he escape? The end? Looks like the thief took a boat and replaced it with a goat. So I hope that you enjoyed this really silly rhyming story.